the both of us. We risked it all, we gambled both our hearts on love. So here we are, too mad to stay, too sad to leave.
Merry Christmas, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome to J Vlogs. It's Christmas now, and I'm about to head down to Fort Lauderdale. I'll be driving down there for the first time, very first time. So this is a nice experience for me. So I'll try to vlog as much as I can, and you guys will get this today or tomorrow. So hope you guys enjoying your Christmas. Thanks everybody for supporting me, and just happy holidays. Enjoy yourself. This is time to enjoy the holiday. I'm gonna let you guys check out my beat, see if I look good or not. You guys be the judge of that, and let me know. Alright, so see you guys later. Hey guys, I'm back. I made it. Check out my beats. People them slippers. Zoom in on it. At a road, At a road, alright. So I wear somebody's slippers. I don't know whose slippers it is, but it's her. That's her slippers, but it's comfortable. Some of us have put it on and wear it. This is Auntie Marcia. Say hello for the vlog. Alright, so we're here. Everybody getting everything ready, cooking, baking, everything. JR. Grandma is here. Rest of the family relatives. And this is a game setup. Me and my nephew love video game and stuff like that. So you have one PC there, one there, and you have the next one down there. JR, they're on the vlog. So my setup. My setup but there we plan the dinner for finish and everything, and let's enjoy ourselves. So come back. Alright, my jelly bean and gingerbread dinner is almost ready to be served. So everybody's getting together now, as you can see. No man, they're gonna bless the food. Somebody are gonna pray and bless the food. Everybody getting ready.
Hi!
Shadow, we know what your grandmother-in-law. You don't get they feel hungry.
Mom, thank God it was good. You like
Pray for a long time.
Alright,
We have fish, chicken, fried chicken, curry goat, turkey, ham, pork, stew pork. That's it. Rice and peas.
What's the
I was going to say pork and leave it alone, but I remember it's stew pork.
Oh, super.
Anything else? Rice and peas.
I doubt if you have any vegetarian in the building.
Alright, just tell me what you want and I'll share. Alright, Daddy, what you do?
Alright. Outside, right?
You can eat outside, you can sit if you watch TV.
Alright, super.
Rice and peas. No gravy.
Alright, this lovely young lady, smacking. This is her Christmas dinner right here. Imagine if she come Christmas dinner and that's what she takes. Imagine. Oh Lord. Serve here, man.
I think so.
I think so. It tastes good though. This is my food right here, peeps. Sorry. Alright, so that's my Christmas dinner I'm going to enjoy. I'm hoping you guys enjoy Christmas dinner as well. So come back. I'm going to finish. Come back. Alright guys, so we're going home now. The dinner was awesome, me and Grandma. Drive go back up now, go home from Fort Lauderdale to Fort Pierce. So we're head out now. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe and share for more J Vlogs. I'm out.